Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. Thank you guys for joining us once again as we share our daily wins, lessons, and the actions that we're taking to continue growing both personally and professionally. Now, let's go ahead and get started into today's win of the day. My win of the day is that yesterday I had the opportunity to walk a project alongside Sam and our associates. During the walkthrough, they explained in detail all the work that needs to be completed on the property, and it was a great learning experience for me. We reviewed several areas that needed attention, for example, some drywall repairs that need to get done, a few walls that need to be replaced. And although some leaks have already been fixed, the damage that was caused in the areas still needs to be repaired properly. There's also some sections that need to be repainted, along with many other improvements that we need to do throughout the property. It's a big project. We had already worked on this project before, but for one reason or another, it was stopped. So it was paused. We're restarting it again, or we're not necessarily picking up where we left off, but we are back at that project. So that means that we had to do a whole walkthrough, like if it was a whole new project again, because some people did work in there in the time that we were away. So now that we're back with that project, it means that there's new repairs, new things that need to get done, some things that were removed. So with all that, we need to work on putting together a detailed estimate for the client with all the new details and all the things that were changed. So what made this such a great experience was being able to see firsthand how much detail goes into evaluating a project and understanding the full scope of work before preparing an estimate. Now, our goal is to provide a strong proposal and hopefully close the deal. And this is to be closed by Friday, which is tomorrow. So pretty much tomorrow, Sam will go back to the property and kind of just do his own personal walkthrough. I might join him along with some of our workers that are going to be in charge of that project, just so we can come up with our plan and see when we start, where we start, what we start with. So all of those things are very, very important to handle, to take care of before we close the deal. So like I said, tomorrow we're going to be walking through, checking everything, making sure that everything that we are asked or that we're asking for is on the estimate. So that way we're all on the same page and there doesn't necessarily, sometimes it happens that things come along, obviously things come up and some changes need to be done to the estimate, but as much as we can, we're going to try to just have it all together, get it all under one estimate and stick to that estimate. This just is something that our associates, as long as we like to have it, to do it that way. Why? Because that way we can have like a strong base of where we are at. And then, like I said, yes, sometimes it does happen that things need to be added, things need to be removed in the contract, but we try to keep it as solid as possible. So that is my win of the day. I'm going to go ahead and put the sound of applause. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, that's my win of the day. At the moment, my associates are out there as well, working on some of our other projects, keeping up with the progress and whatnot. Today, I believe I'm going to be staying in the office and working on the things that I need to get done here before the week ends. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's win of the day with the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. Remember that every experience is a chance to learn something new and move on one step closer to your goals. Keep showing up, stay consistent, and keep growing. And if you guys want to share your wins with us, please don't forget to stop by our office. We're located at 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. And our office phone number is 619-202-0679. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.